Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year to all my friends. Let's start. Christmas beginning sound. Color the beginning sound of each picture. Look at the first picture. Reindeer. R is for reindeer. Let's color the letter R. R is for reindeer. Look at the next picture. Bell. B is for bell. Let's color the letter B. B is for bell. Look at the next picture. Santa. S is for Santa. Let's color the letter S. S is for Santa. Look at the next picture. W. W is for wreath. Let's color the letter W. W is for wreath. Sleigh. S is for sleigh. Let's color the letter S. Sleigh. Let's color the letter S. S is for sleigh. Look at the next picture. Snowman. S is for snowman. Let's color the letter S. S is for snowman. Look at the next picture. Letter P. P is for presents. Let's color the letter P. Next picture. Look at the next picture. Tree. Let's color the letter T. Well done, kids. T is for tree. Elf. Look at the next picture. E is for elf. Let's color the letter E. E is for elf. Let's repeat again. R is for reindeer. B is for bell. S is for Santa. W is for wreath. S is for sleigh. S is for snowman. P is for presents. T is for tree. E is for elf. Well done, kids. You are doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.